Okay, students, so now we are going to continue with longitude lines, and we are going to do latitude and longitude. We are going to combine the two. So now you should have a bigger map if you do not already. I should have given your class one, but if I didn't, it's okay. The substitute has plenty of copies. You are going to look at it. It should be a way bigger map than what we used on the previous sheets. It should say Social Studies Extravaganza, have a place for your name, date, and hours. Students will follow along with Mr. D and pinpoint different coordinates of this map. Mr. D will do plenty of examples, and then you will do the back page. So, now if you look down, it goes 2 through 8. There are a few things we have to do first before we can begin step 2. For example, the first thing I want you to do is the equator. The equator runs 0 degrees latitude. Alright, so we got our line across there. If you don't have any colored pencils or crayons, it's okay, just use a regular pencil. Now the second step it tells you to do is find 0 degrees longitude. So it's between the 20s. So we're just going to go all the way down with that. Now if you look on your right there at the latitude, it has the word equator. Now I want you to put PM for prime meridian because it does not say that. Now the next thing I want you to do, which is also not on your directions, is I want you to put an N up at the top of the equator, an S at the bottom to separate the northern and southern hemisphere, and I also want you to put an E on this side for the eastern hemisphere and a W right here for the western hemisphere. Never eat soggy waffles. Never eat shredded wheat is a way to remember this. Now, on to step 3. Find 20 degrees south, find 100 degrees west. So the first thing we'll be doing is finding 20 degrees south. Now we're always going to start at our equator to find lines of latitude. So at 0, it says 20 degrees south. So we're going to go up or down. We're going to go down, so we'll make a little dot right there. And if it's 20 over there, it's 20 over here. And then it says find 100 degrees west. So we'll start right here. This is at our prime meridian. And we will go to west, which is to the left. We got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we'll start up here. We'll draw a line down. Didn't mean to go that far, but it's okay. And then they meet right here. So then you're going to make a mark. Lets me know where it's at. And you'll label it number 3. So I know that you know where it's at. Alright, now on to number 4. Find 50 degrees north, find 60 degrees east. So, 50 degrees north. We'll once again start at our equator. Find a color that I haven't used yet. So we'll be here. It says we're going north, so are we going down or up? We're going up. So 0, 20, 40, 60. Now we know between 40 and 60 is 50, so we'll make a dot right here and a dot right here. Then it says find 60 degrees east. Well, we'll start back at 0 to our prime meridian. We got 20, 40, and 60. We'll go to the east, that's why we went right. So we'll go down to about right here, then all the way over. Then we'll put the number 4 right where they meet. And that is finding latitude and longitude coordinates. Now, there hasn't been any confusion or it went too fast. If you ask the substitute, I'm sure he or she would be more than happy to replay this video for you. All you have to do is ask nicely. Now, once you finish this, go ahead and do 5, 6, 7, and 8. The substitute will give you the appropriate amount of time. And then you need to turn it in. You can turn it into the substitute. And then you will begin your next activity. Have a great weekend.